Hi my little artist friends, I'm Allie Pallie and today I'm inspired by this beautiful garden bed. Yes, it's the Allie Pallie art show where I show you everything I know, and today we're inspired by that beautiful garden bed that was in Katoomba in the Blue Mountains in New South Wales, Australia. And it was outside the Carrington Hotel, and I love that hotel because it has this beautiful LED light. I was there on holiday.
Hello.
Hello, Voila.
Ali, why was I not with you on this holiday?
Why were you
in the
not with
Blue
me?
Mountains?
Voila normally comes with me on holiday.
I love the Blue Mountains.
I know. You were in France at the Maze Garden.
Oh yes, that's right. I was in
Yes,
France.
don't worry. I wouldn't leave you behind.
I was at Monet's garden. How silly of me.
Now the flowers I really liked in the garden bed were these ones, which I think are called Linaria or Linaria. And these were growing in my backyard. So voila, what are we making?
Yes, I will tell them now. Let's go. Today we are making this lovely picture of little pink flowers. I love little pink flowers. It's best for probably 7 and up, depending on the paint you are using. What you'll need is paper that is appropriate for watercolor, so quite thick or watercolor paper, some watercolor paints in green, pink, yellow and white, and a skinny brush and maybe a little round brush. Now this is being very picky. You can do it with minimal supplies. Also, if you don't have any of these things, get a pencil and draw along. Okay, bye.
Okay, let's get started. Let's get our skinny brush. There's skinny and there's skinny pointy. Get a skinny pointy. Now, when I paint flowers, I do it in steps of 3. The background of the flower, the stems and leaves, and then the details. So, let's practice the shape of the flower first by itself. In the water, dip into your pink. And the Linaria is 2 at the top and 3 at the bottom. So let's go 1, 2 at the top and 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to use my water to just blend that together. Water, pulling the paint from the edges to the middle. Okay, so that's the general shape of the flower. Let's do our main work. And we're going to attempt to do this little spray that goes up and over. So, we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And the interesting thing about these ones is one of their names is toadflax. Another of their names is the fairy flower. Now, remember I said flower background, stems and leaves, details. We're up to stems and leaves. And we're going to go up. One leaf is going to sort of sit there. With watercolors, it's really fine to just start a little bit pale and gentle and build your way up. I'm using the same brush as before. So I'm not actually touching the pinks, I'm going between them. Trying to make a nice, logical, flowing arch shape. So I'm just doing little leaves coming out. making my leaves sort of go fat to thin. Okay, that needs to dry. I think that's dry. So, what was our order again? It was flower background, leaves and stems, details. Let's do details. When you're doing watercolor over the top of other watercolor in a very fine way like this, you don't want too much water. So, let's do white first. So I'm going to dip in. And I need a little bit of water. It to be opaque. Opaque is the opposite of transparent. Let me show you. This jar and water is transparent. This piece of paper is opaque. Down, 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 down. Down, down, down. That's looking good.
Hello, Allie Pallie.
Hello, Voila.
I am making one
wonderful.
at my house.
You're doing one?
Yes, at my house.
So Vola's doing one at my
And
house.
I'm wondering, is it okay if I just
No,
make
that's
it
fine.
simple, like
you can
the
do the
one?
simple one. Yeah, of course you can.
Okay, good. I
You're an
will
accomplished
return to
artist,
my
Voila.
work now.
We all are. You're an accomplished artist. How do you be accomplished? Just finish stuff. Don't give up halfway. Don't give up after your first try. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Let's sign it. It's time to reflect. Let's reflect together. It's time to reflect. When we reflect, we pick out one thing we like and one thing to change. In mine, one thing I like is how it sits in the corner. One thing to change is I think it needs more of a focal point, like a butterfly or an insect, maybe a bee, something like
Speaking of
that.
a focal point of an insect,
Yes?
ta-da! Yes.
Voila, another
chinoiserie.
skill that I did not know you had.
Oh yes, I can do
Chinoiserie.
so many
Tell
styles.
us about it.
Oh, I took a course. I took a course in chinoiserie
Where did
in
you
Paris
learn all this?
many years ago. It has always stayed with
Well
me.
done, Voila.
Oh, thank you. You are too kind. You are much too kind. Merci. Mwah.
So we've reached the end of this
the
video,
end.
so you know what that means.
Yes.
Please subscribe.
It's time to
then
go outside
and
get
get inspired.
inspired.
Thank you for
Thank you
watching.
for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.